Our air pumps work hard for us, pumping air through restrictive air lines and air stones 24 hours a day, every day. Pumping air deep, often 6 to 12 feet underwater, or other chores such as unclogging older style bead filters puts a lot of strain on the air pump's rubber diaphragms and valves. General age and use also takes a toll. This air pump has provided excellent service for 10 years, but needs some help now. The air output has diminished to nearly nothing. So we're going to rebuild it, replacing the diaphragms and the one-way valves with new ones from a repair kit. You can buy complete repair kits or just replacement rubber valve flaps from many koi shops that sell air pumps. To start, we'll take off the pump's air filter cover and remove the air filter. It's amazing the things you'll find in these air filters. I found a lizard in one once. Next, we'll flip it over so we can get to the 4 main bolts holding the pump body to the base. Now we can separate the base from the body. It's obvious this pump has been working hard for several years. This black housing holds the diaphragm and the 2 rubber valve flaps we'll be looking at. The repair kit we've ordered simply replaces this whole housing, at a cost of about $110 for both sides. When I took the air pump apart, I found these broken plastic chips laying inside. These are from the back of the diaphragm mechanism, right here. 10 years of vibration and heat took its toll. We'll remove the 4 screws and take off the diaphragm cover next. Now we remove the nut in the center of the diaphragm. Now we can pull the diaphragm itself off and can see some of the damage. The new replacement diaphragm has a steel backing plate instead of plastic. The breakage must be a common problem. Here is the real issue though. This rubber one-way valve has completely exploded. Without this little rubber flap, the diaphragm is just pumping air to nowhere. This is most often the problem when an air pump stops pumping air, even on the smaller air pumps for aquariums. These flaps are critical. They direct the air from input to output. If you're mechanical, you can rig a quick temporary fix by cutting a small circle of rubber from a pond liner, then insert a small stainless bolt through the center to get a few weeks of use out of your ailing air pump until you can locate a proper replacement valve. Reassembly is the opposite of teardown. We put everything back together with the new diaphragm and valve assemblies in place. Set the unit back into the body and the air filter back on, and the cover on that. Now we plug it in and we've got good, strong air output again. Ready for another 10 years of work.